Quality control of the products is performed both from the local supplier and what arrives from the mainland. From our own warehouse in Puerto Ayora, which is built to preserve the products in perfect condition, we keep control of the supplies to be transported to the different vessels of our fleet. Fresh products that require refrigeration undergo a cold chain process throughout their transportation. Products are stored immediately upon arrival on the ship, following the cold chain process. The chef has everything ready to prepare those delicacies that will surprise you. And finally, straight to your table.